Restoration One has been in the water, fire, mold, and biohazard mitigation business since 1974, servicing Northwest Ohio, including Toledo, Bowling Green, Findlay, and Lima.
We got a call on Sunday to come out here at after hours water damage, and her basement was flooded, and she was panicking and very nervous that she's going to lose a lot of her contents and her material. And we were able to get out here with our quick response time, set everything up according to our E3 app. Basement's dry, she's all good to go, no worries, and another happy customer.
At Restoration One, we understand that you need to get back to life and back to normal as quickly as possible. Our straightforward process will put your mind at ease as we clearly explain our water restoration and cleanup process. You'll have no unknowns to worry about whatsoever. So after you're faced with a storm, a burst pipe, or any other disaster that results in flooding or water damage, give us a call. We will step in to mitigate current damages, prevent future damages, and get you back to a normal life.